Alrighty, here we go, guys. Time for a little bit of work. For those of you who have been watching the live streams or watching the YouTube videos, we are gonna work on some features. And I encountered a little hiccup. We'll call it a hiccup. Let's turn the music down a bit. Spotify, the way that it pulls data, I'll just run it. This is totally the wrong project. Let's open the right project this time. Alright, so we found a yeah, we did that. Okay, so what I've done is off stream I've been working on the actual retrieval of all of the data, all the songs, the Spotify IDs, and the audio features, and I got it to mostly work now. In fact, I will go ahead and, with the exception of the audio features, I still got to figure out why the progress bar isn't exactly working. But you'll see some big differences. We've done quite a bit of work here. So we have our good, bad tracks and total tracks. So this left side is all of the songs that do not have Spotify IDs. So for whatever reason, none of these tracks show up in Spotify. And I don't know why, because if I go and I look up Alice in Chains on Spotify, this song is there and this album is there. So I'm not 100% sure why that is not returning anything. And the right hand column is all of the songs that don't have audio descriptions, so it can't pull the descriptions for the Spotify ID for some reason. And most of the times it's stuff like this live track. So chances are there's an AFI a single second, but it doesn't have this Long Beach, or it's a slash live from Long Beach. You know, just little changes in the way that they named it. And this comes from the CDs and stuff, so I don't know why it's different from what was submitted by the record companies to Spotify. I kind of gave up on it, but I'm just gonna put this here, and I decided that I will make a editor for the songs. So what I've done is I have created a song edit window that has a bunch of properties on it, and we'll just go up. So we open the window, we give it the song, and we set artist type, artist title, album, genre, and the path to the song. And we have all of our public properties. So we got artist title, album, genre, and the track path, right? And then we have our commands for opening the file location. So what happens if I click on the edit, I get the editable. I can actually edit this, and it changes the song info. It doesn't save it to the database yet, which I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that, or I'll probably do that and update the MP3. And that way, if you wipe your database, you don't have to rechange everything. You actually made it work. And then when you click open, it opens the folder that the song is in. So Love Song is right here. Just so that you can see the track. If you ever want to go and look at what might be causing an issue, go and look at the folder structure, you know, just in case. So now that we have this, I guess the first step is going to be deciding why the audio features are not getting retrieved properly. And I'm gonna actually load up Spotify, and I'm gonna pull up, I'm gonna look for Alice in Chains, and we're gonna look up the album. So we were looking for Sap, right? So we want albums: Rain or Frog, Devil Back is Unplugged, Alice in Chains, Jar of Flies. See, now Jar of Flies has, there's an album, Jar of Flies, that has Sap on it. There's Sap. So Sap is in there. So it's got 4 tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brother is 1. Got Me Wrong is 2. Right Turn is 3. Am I Inside is 4. And Love Song is not 5 on here. Wonder if they have the other one on here. Nope. Maybe it's a, maybe my CD was like one of those UK releases or something. Because if I go in here, it doesn't list it. That is not the right one. See, my Alice in Chains, my Jar of Flies and Sap one is that cover, but it lists the Sap on the back of it, right? Jar of Flies, Sap, like it's a double album, right? And it has both albums on the inside art. So that's just really weird. And on this one there's 5. Huh. That's so weird. And I mean, it's a real song. It's Alice in Chains. Oh, Love Story, that's why. Not song. So there's that one. Let's look at another one here. 311. Alright, so we've got 311. This is Full Rice. Okay, so let's look up this album, From Chaos. So 311. See, the album's there. Oh, it's Full Ride, not Full Rice. Oh my god. Okay, let's okay, so obviously this album is messed up, so I'm gonna have to go and I guess edit all my tracks again. I'm pretty sure I did it once, but you know. Oh look, it doesn't have my band. I wonder if let's go look. Nope. They don't have our album on there. That's so sad. Really. That's sad. This is my old band. Oh man. Oh, the hyperventilation single. I gotta hear this. So there's 3 versions. There's one that's the album. And then we've got the Aibo and Uda Uda. Okay, and for some reason it doesn't have Uda Udas in there. And then it has the urban remix. So the urban remix, so these Aibo and Uda Uda were 2 Jamaicans, and they came on and did some stuff. And yeah, here I'll play this one here.
Respect. Yeah man, it's a must. Big up to Josh, you know. I mean, so it have to go. I mean, so something have to jam. So this a different style and a different pattern. Welcome, yeah man, you jump down a jam once. Kill Rastafari, you know.
Alright, this is the original. Yeah. So it's a little different, right? And then you got the early music.
Respect! Yeah, man. It's a must. Big up to just, you know.
It's crazy. Anyways, yeah. So those are the three versions of that song. But anyway, so apparently, like these are all independent labels. Stand. The only one I was on was Sister, and I think All My Life, but they re-recorded my parts because I quit the band. So, and we weren't on a label when that album was released, I don't believe. I think, they might have. So then that label, which is now gone, would have had to submit the albums, I guess, but anyways. So that will never ever be in here, I guess. Kind of sad. I would really like to get a system that can do the whole analyzing. You know how you get all these song descriptors for everything? I think it'd be neat. Alright. Let's go away. This can go away. So, what else do we have? We have okay, we got the song edit. Let's try and figure out why this is not actually working. So if I do song features, this doesn't actually change, like it stays full the whole time. So when I do rest server, collect audio features, we're doing the ID list is all the ones where it doesn't have 0, and then it's going to do Spotify descriptors as null. It's going to add all of the ones that match those IDs. Okay, and then we're going to loop through each one where if the song descriptor is null, we're going to add the ID. Okay. So this should be my count, right? So if I go like this and I say song features is 0. So it's not actually pulling anything. Okay, so there's a problem with this. Let's rethink this. Okay, so I want to get we want the list of all Spotify ID songs that have null descriptors. So our Spotify, actually we'll just call it list for now. It's going to be SongDB, where the Spotify ID is not equal to the character string is 0, and then and the Spotify descriptors is null. I want to select Spotify ID to list, and this should be a list of strings. Yes, so I can just go like this. Okay, and then we want Spotify ID list count. So let's check this out now. There we go. Alright, this goes away. Okay. So because it wasn't working before, now this is breaking. No reference. Spotify ID queries. Alright, you know what we need to do? So, I know I have these. I need to split it in lists of 100. So, we're gonna go, Spotify ID queries. Ooh, hello. Spotify ID queries. Add. So we want Spotify ID, Spotify ID list. I want this, take 100. There we go, like that. Now this is only going to take the first 100 though. So what I need to do is I need to loop through each one and see. There's got to be a faster way to do that. To array. Select new. No, what is this? Select G to list or to array. It's supposed to be, oh, this is a to list. So what is this returning? This is a let's do cast. There we go. So now this should be Spotify ID queries. Okay, so now I want to put a breakpoint here, and we're going to see if this makes a bunch of things in sets. Invalid cast exception. Let's try this. Nope, invalid cast. Okay, let's try this. So what is this? It's a list of strings. Okay, well, why don't we just change that? So we'll go back up to here. List of strings. Oops. Alright, so we got a list of strings. And this okay, so let's do an intermediary. Okay, so then we go Spotify ID queries, S list, to list. Okay, let's try that. And we're gonna have to, oh, we gotta change this now. For each string query set in here. I don't want to do this now. Oh, yes I do. I don't know. Can you just pass in a list? Oh yeah, you can. You don't have to put it to an array first. Okay. It's got an override for that. All right. So now that should compile. And what we'll do is we will run this and see how many it shows. There you go, 490. So 1, 2, 3, 393. There, we working. Oh, there goes the progress bar. Okay, so now the we need to go. So while we are going through each one, we're gonna add one. The max value is gonna be the Spotify ID list count plus 1. Right. Just because we never want it to go to the end, because that's how Microsoft works. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and done. Okay, so when it's done now, where are we doing it? Okay, we're not actually setting it back to 0. So here, we'll go main form, progress bar value is equal to 0. Like that. And I'll try this again. And once it's complete, it should go back to nothing. There we go. Okay. Every time I do this, this list is getting shorter and shorter. I wonder if it's because it's finding tracks. Or is it just not in order? I have no idea. But that's a lot better than it was. That's a lot less tracks. So we have our editor. This one doesn't work. Oh, I didn't add the button to that one. Oh, where's my button? Good tracks, bad tracks. Here's my button. And I want to put that here. Right? Yeah. Alright. So now this one should open the other side as well. Yep. Ooh, that's a really long song. Alright, it does open it, so okay, so next is let's work on the actual when we edit the track, we want to actually save this song. So we already have the path. So we're gonna make a void update mp3, and what we'll do is we need taglib. Using taglib. Okay. So we want to go taglib. Actually, let's just pull the main server here. When we get the new tracks, check for new files in library, and we do this right here. So this is my opening the file, creating a file stream for the file, and then it gets the tag. So what I want to do is I want to copy this. I'm going to put this here. So we want file info. This is the file name. So I want the track path. Oops, track path. Okay. So we're going to open the file, create a new tag file. We're going to read. This is creating the file as yes. We don't need this. Okay, so now tags equals tag file set. Nope. Save. What have we got in here? Nope. Get tags. Tags. Okay, there we go. Okay. So here is our get tag. So now we want to go tags artists. Do they have... Okay, which one am I pulling from here? Rest server. Artists is joined artist. So I want joined artists is going to be artist. Okay, and then I want tags. Oh, okay. Can I not save in this? It has a save. There's some properties. That's just non-essential things. I hope I don't have to do bit streams to save it. I don't want to corrupt any files. So what if I do tags join artist equals? Can I set? No. I'm not sure if, let me go look at the NuGet, because I was sure that taglib did this. I was almost positive that taglib let you save. Get tags. Reading and editing the metadata. Yeah, so you can. Not reading. I need to... Oh, let's see what this guy said. If you're allowed to saving even small file sizes, when you add lyrics to an existing tag without lyrics, it always takes a long time. Nope. Okay, well, maybe there's a different one. Hi, Tim. Nope. Well, really, you can't. Why? Really? Ah, taglib portable. Alright, taglib. Base types. List picture properties, read style string tag. There's tag, base types. Clear copy to duplicate tag. There's a tag function that has all these properties, okay. Nope. Protected tag, duplicate. A source and target, bool overwrite. It has a copy to, a clear, another copy to. Oh, that's the same one. Get type, get hash, to string. So why is public static void overwrite member of tag lib tag? Okay, one second. Tag lib tag. Oh. Okay, so I have to make a new tag. So let's do, here's our tags, right? Original tag. Should just be a tag. Alright, so new tag is going to be original tag. Okay, now new tag, I want artists, no, I want joined artist is going to be artist. And it's still gonna be, I mean, really? Really? You can't even instantiate a new tag? Huh, I wonder how you're supposed to do that. So they don't have any way to do it. That's weird. File extraction. Tag. This is save. Well, I might have to switch libraries. If there's no way to instantiate a tag with set values, and you can't, there's no save. I don't know. Tag lib for writing. Let's do nope. I am just looking up how other people have written stuff. File create. Loading properties. Metadata file format. ID3 tag. Album picture tag. Oh, this is theirs. Oh, that's not what I want. Yeah. Tag lib. Let's see, when was this last saved? Oh, this is C. Yeah, that's why it's a portable one, because it was written in C++. Alright, let's do this. Library for reading and writing in media files. Let's try this one. We'll install it alongside. Hopefully it doesn't have any conflicts. And yeah, of course it does. Okay, we aren't going to use this. Okay, we're gonna just remove this here. Okay, so this is my file stream, and what I want to do is I want to go tag lib sharp. Now nope. Alright, we'll remove this one. Alright, let's try this now. I'm on edit window. So, yes, I know. Did they actually use the same thing? No. Yes, they did. So this is just another version of it. So I need let's go look at this and find out what this is. Tag lib file create from the path. Oh man, I really don't like doing this, but we're gonna comment this out and we're gonna go tag file is gonna be file create, and I want song. That. Okay, so that's everything else works. So I'm happy with that. Okay, let's go back to this. And let's see if we can do it here. Tag file is gonna be tag lib file create. Can we like? Yeah, nope. We have to create, and I want track path. And let's get rid of this. Don't need that one. Okay, so now tag file tag set info tag. Let's see what this one is. Sets the tag that represents the tagger software. Okay, no, that's not it. Artists equals. Oh, I want joined artists. Okay. Property exists to alleviate confusion. Tag joined performers for track artists and tag joined album artists for album artists. The same value as this. Property indexer cannot be assigned. It's read only. So there is a way to do it. Let's go look at the project. Read write. So I did this. String title is the title. Okay, yeah. From read write custom tags. Read write custom tags. Okay, so why doesn't this work? Tag is tag like image combined image tag. No. Metadata. So he assigns a string the value of the title, and then the T file. Oh, yeah, T file tag title. Okay, so if I do, let's just go like this. Tag file tag title has a get and set. Has a get and set. Okay. Gets and sets the same value as performers. Okay, well let's do this. Let's try this. Performers is equal to, let's go back into here then. Let's do this. Okay, so what I want to do is I want the REST server artists is going to be performers. and then we'll do artist. Alright, tag file, tag title, tag file, tag album is equal to album, tag file, tag genre is equal to genre, and that should be it. Okay, so then I want to go tag file, save. It's a string. This field is most commonly called artist and audio meter, actor and video meter. Should be used to represent each artist, actor appearing in the media. It can be simplified in the form of the Beatles or more complicated blah 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 blah. Depending on the preferences of the listener spectator, the degree to which they organize their media collection. As the preference of the user may vary, applications should not try to limit the user in what choice they make. Well, too bad. There you go. You're welcome. Okay, so now what we want is we want this now. I don't know if I want to be doing this on the whole database though. Yeah, we're gonna just use the first one. Or we'll use this joined artists. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So what we'll do now is we're gonna wipe the database, which those don't reset. Okay, we're going to remove this. Let's make a sample folder here. Alternative. Copy this. Copy to D drive. Paste. Just so I don't mess up the actual files, just in case this corrupts them somehow. So we're going to go this PC, D drive, Allison change, okay. And we're going to check for new songs. And no, that is not what you're doing. Alright, 76, there we go. So if I get my IDs, it should only be like 2 tracks that are bad, maybe 1. Yeah, there's only 1 bad track, it's the love song, which is Love Story. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get the song features. Yeah. That took way too long, dude. Way too long. Alright, well, at least that part works. So, we need, we have to make it so it actually calls this function. We need a command in here. Save file tags. And here. And we're gonna go update MP3 like that. And then we're gonna make a we want a new row on here. It's going to be star. And I want one at the bottom that is 50. And this is going to be what? Make this bigger. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want a button grid row is equal to 6. And I want row span is 2. 3, 1, 2. Stack panel grid row is 6. And I want to go orientation is horizontal, no, vertical. And then we're going to make a button that has a command binding save. Oh my god. What? Oh, I'm in, you know. Why does that not show up? In view models. Make sure that's the actual name again. Tags, plural. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to put this here. Start. We're going to see what this does. So if I want to edit this and I want to, oh, the button is amazing. Yep. Okay, well it doesn't break. Let's edit this while it's open. Let's make this horizontal. Oh. How many columns do we have? We have 2. So we're gonna go grid call span is gonna be 2. Nope. Is it? Oh, is it because I have no text? Save tag. Nope. So I want horizontal alignment stretch. Nope. There we go. That works. That fills the whole bottom of the screen. Alright. So, here's what we want to do. This is Love's song. This is Love's story. Save. Now, you know what we should do? We should, this, So what if I do a song edit window, this, and I'm going to pass in song edit, edit window, and this is going to be equal to that with the stuff and the things. Alright, so when I edit we're gonna pass in this, and that should work. No, it won't work. Oh no, I want to pass in this, and also I have to actually call what I wanted to close. Close. There we go. Edit, save, edit. Alright. So this here, okay, that's only half of it. That's saving the actual file. I need to update the actual database. So what I need to do is I am passing in the window reference, right? So what I want to do is I want to make on here, I want a update song info from song edit. Ooh, edit window. So what we're gonna do is a public void update song in database song info song. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to go song db where nope, sorry, server I need to see if I can make public static song db. Nope, I have to actually make a function call in here. And we're just gonna pass it along. Alright. And I've been on for an hour, really? Alright, so we're gonna update the song. So now what we need to do is we need to when we are editing the file, we need to set this stuff every time we type. So I need to do song what is it, performers? No, artist is equal to value, and then title is value, album is value, and then genre is value. Don't care about the track path. And then what we do is we go no, what was that? I was in the song edit window. Okay, so now I need to pass in, on top of that, I want this. And this is going to be a main window view model. This is getting so freaky. Main window view model. Alright, so then down here I go main window, update song and database with the song, which should pass it through to this. Now what we do is we go the song DB where the Spotify ID, actually no, we'll do it by path, where path is equal to song path. I want to do select XX var target is going to be this, okay? First or default. Okay, so this will give me a song info. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go song DB index of target, and I want to set the artist is equal to song artist, and I want the title to be the title. I want the album to be the album, and you guessed it, genre to be the genre. Alright, and then we're going to update, nope, that's it. That's it. We're done. I have a main form one in here, so can I do main form refresh bad tracks, and then hopefully that will refresh the stuff that I need. So this is love story. Save. There we go. See that edited it. Love story. Save. Get song features. Check for new Spotify IDs. Why doesn't this one want to go? Oh, it is there. So it's not actually it doesn't care. We'll start this over again. This takes way too long. I know I had to do a token request because it was failing my it was denying my token after so long. So I would get the token from Spotify, and then I would be requesting forever and ever, and they didn't like that, I guess, and they invalidated my token. Probably hitting some kind of a data limit for their liking. I mean, I was querying 100 tracks at a time every, like, second. So after you do 200 tracks, they probably go, probably shouldn't be doing that, mister. But this should not take this long. There's less than 100 tracks. It should only be doing a single query. See, they all work now. I don't know why good tracks and bad tracks are empty though. So there's something wrong with those numbers, but I mean the editor works, because the only thing we care about is the artist, the title, Because if the artist and the title are not found, it will not pull the Spotify ID based on the artist and title. I don't think I do album when I do my query to them. It does artist and title and track, and it does 10. So yeah, so it doesn't care what album it is. However, I'm pretty sure some of these things have invalid track titles because it'd be like live at Donington or whatever. Let's delete this. So I mean, this will let me, or anyone, edit their tracks, right? And hopefully start filtering through all of the stuff. So now I could go a step further and try to obtain the audio or the Spotify ID of the track right after we save, and then pull the audio of it. Maybe? I don't know. Not sure. But at least the editor's working now. So, yeah, I'll try and figure out why the good and bad tracks don't update properly. But that's probably just in the functions where we're updating and deleting and doing all kinds of stuff, and I'm just not setting the values properly. I should probably not actually change those values as we're updating anymore, because in the it's in the REST server when I'm retrieving the information that I'm setting those values. But I don't think I should. I'm just using the progress bar. I'll have to see, because there's this stuff, right? These ones here where I set good and bad and I set the values. I don't think I should do this here. Yeah. These will never change. I'm just going to get rid of this. I don't care about that. Don't need this. Sure. That'll work. Okay, let's try this. Oh. Spotify ID is this, otherwise get rid of that. Did I delete the folder already? Yes, I did. Fine. Options, remove, add. Let's do a different folder. That's gonna be a big one. A popular band. Let's do Blink-182. No, yeah, sure. We'll do Blink-182. They probably have a lot of live tracks in there, though. Check for new songs. Really? That's really weird. It's awaiting it, so it shouldn't proceed. Directory not found. Okay, okay. I've had enough of that. When I check for new files, I want to load server config because that's getting very annoying when it doesn't update what I'm doing for folders. So like if I remove this and I add a different folder, I don't know, disturbed. There we go. No, that works. Okay. Check for IDs. Okay. Get some features. That takes way too long. I'm seeing a bunch that still cannot find songs down here. There we go. Alright, so isn't that interesting? Why is that one not there? I bet you it's stupefied. Come on. Sickness. It's stupefy. Okay, so let's do this now. So let's see if sickness goes away. Now they all went away. It must have been duplicate track IDs. Disturbed, immortalized, immortalized. IMMORT. Oh. There you go. And there it goes. Okay. Well, it does work. You just gotta make sure you work on your tags. Okay, well, I am going to push this, and we have a track, Spotify, data and descriptors, tag editor, and push. Alright, we are done. I am going to take off, and thanks for watching, everyone, and I will be back hopefully tomorrow at some point, maybe in the afternoon, and we'll try and figure out what else we can work on here. Maybe we'll just do a bunch of little fixes and things that irk me about the way the program works right now, and try and do some optimizations or something. So anyways, we will talk to you guys later, and go ahead, if you are watching this on YouTube later on, go ahead and subscribe, because I want to hit the 1,000 subscribers so that I can actually stream from my phone, so that when I'm out and about, you know, visiting any conventions or anything, I can go ahead and stream it live, which I can't do right now. So want to get it going on it, because, you know, I need to be out there. It's kind of